Hello, hello, hello. Now, in this video, we are going to start with Ethereum. So, in the starting of our course, as I said, right, that I have divided this course into three parts. Module A, where we talked about blockchain, module B, where we talked about cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin, and now we are going to cover module C. So I'm very excited to start this new module. And in this module, we are going to learn each and everything about Ethereum. Like what is Ethereum? What is a smart contract, decentralized application, EVM, DAO, hard and soft fork, DAO attack, ICO, and all coins, and definitely much more. This is just an overview, so do not be confused that only they are going to be only 9 videos. There are going to be so many new things in our upcoming videos. But let's start with this new module and let's start with what is Ethereum. Now, before talking about Ethereum, let us talk about the founder of Ethereum, who is Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik Buterin is the founder of Ethereum. He proposed the idea of Ethereum in 2013 when he was only 19 years old. And his story is also very inspiring, guys. He proposed the same idea to the Bitcoin community that we should have a blockchain in which at which actually we can run programs. But nobody in the Bitcoin community believed in him, and then only he launched the Ethereum blockchain. Now, what is wonderful about Ethereum blockchain? Ethereum blockchain, like if we talk about Bitcoin blockchain, which came before Ethereum blockchain, Bitcoin blockchain only supports transactions of Bitcoin. Means you can do transactions on Bitcoin, like you can send some Bitcoin to your friend, or your friend can send some Bitcoin to you, but you cannot run programs on Bitcoin blockchain. And Ethereum is a blockchain that gives you a facility to run programs on the blockchain, on this Ethereum blockchain. And these programs are called smart contracts. And we will talk about this in much more detail in our upcoming videos. But for now, this is the most interesting thing about Ethereum, that you can run programs on Ethereum blockchain, and with the help of which you can create decentralized application. And again, this is a topic which we will discuss about in our upcoming videos in great detail. And if we talk about the cryptocurrency related to Ethereum, that is Ether. So if we talk about Bitcoin, Bitcoin provides us with Bitcoin. And if we talk about Ethereum, it provides us with Ether as a cryptocurrency. Okay, but we will talk about Ethereum in much more detail in our upcoming videos. This is just an introductory video to tell you what is Ethereum and who is the founder of Ethereum. But we will talk about Ethereum in much more detail in our upcoming videos. So I hope you liked this video. If you have liked this video, please click on that like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because I'm regularly going to upload new blockchain courses on this channel. If you want to connect, you can connect with me on Instagram. I am available there. And if you want to join our blockchain developer community, links are given in the description. You can join the Discord blockchain developer community. You are most welcome. And if you have any doubts, please do not forget to comment below this video. I'm active here and I will definitely try to answer your query. So meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.